everyone, it's Darla. I feel like I haven't been on here forever. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm a crocheter. I love yarn, love crochet. Yeah, and I do have some other videos of other things I've made, like shadow boxes, fairy gardens, miniature scenes, things like that. So I just wanted to come on and say hi to my yarnians, my brothers and sisters. Yeah, so I've missed you guys. Like I said, I feel like I haven't been on in like forever, even though I was on here, I think last week. All right, so happy Monday. It is, I think it's the 21st, 21st of December 2020. And Santa has dropped by. Look, he is being safe. He's wearing his mask, his Canadian mask. There's the Canadian moose on there. And the maple leaf. Yeah. Right, Santa? Oh, yes. He can't talk very well because he's got his mask on. But anyway, he's had a hard time. Okay, he's had a hard time because, yeah, he's running out of food. No, he's fine. He's fine. Actually, my hubby worked up north here in Manitoba a few years ago, and the town he was working in had a little draw going on, and one of the prizes was this Santa, and he won. I think he's awesome. I love him, and he's so tall. Yes, he's so tall. So let's take this off, Santa. Let's see your cute little face. Okay, sorry, I'm trying not to pop his nose off. There he is. I love his little nose. Anyway, so I want to do a shout out to Karen Pruden's Let's Stitch and Makeup. Hi, Karen. She got an Advent package from a Canadian yarn company. I think they're in Ontario. I'm going to try and find the link and link it below. But oh my goodness, she's been opening her packages from them, and oh my goodness, she's getting the most beautiful yarn, beautiful colors, and you can choose what weight of yarn you want. So she chose, what did you choose? 4-weight or bulky weight? And yeah, and then they throw in extra goodies. She's gotten some Tim Hortons hot chocolate. She's got some French vanilla from Tim Hortons, some stitch markers, some ornaments for the tree. So many different little gifts, and I want to order that. This is apparently their first year to have this out, so hopefully they're going to do it again next year. And I'll just tell hubby that'll be his gift from me next year. We didn't get each other gifts this year just because of everything that's going on. And also, we normally give to his 3 nieces. Well, 2 of them, because the other one just moved in with them. Yay! So, so there'll be 3 this year, and we didn't get them anything. We ventured out to Walmart on Saturday. We were safe with our masks on and all that kind of thing, and actually went to get something for them, and they didn't have any. So, but so I don't know. It might be just, I don't know what we're gonna give them. Cash maybe. They are, how old are they? 2, 6, and 14, I think. Anyway, so what are you doing for Christmas? I know this year is so different from any other year. So different. We were invited to a drive-by Christmas. We usually go to hubby's sister's place. And so she asked if we were going to come by to, you know, pick up Christmas dinner. So, of course. So that's really sweet of her. Yeah, so we'll just go by, all geared up in our masks and stuff, and she'll put the plates outside, and we'll just grab them and wave from a distance, and then come back home. Yeah, it's really strange. Very strange. Actually, we did that for, I think, yeah, we did that for Easter. Yes, we did that for Easter. So what else? Oh, I have a tutorial I'm still working on. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm working on it. Just, you know, anyway. So I wanted to shout out Karen, like I said. Hi, Karen. And I'm going to shout out Neva. Her channel name used to be Neva's, no, not Neva's. It used to be Manic Mama's Creations, No Idle Hands. Now I think she's changed it to Manic Mama's Musings. So her and Grandma Benny, hi Chris, shouting you out too. They did the Christmas exchange, is it 25 gifts or something? I didn't participate in that with anyone this year or last year when I first started my channel. I'd like to do it this coming year, so whoever wants to do it with me, let me know like 6 months ahead of time. Yeah. Also, I made a bunch of Christmas cards, and you know how many I sent out? One. One. Oh my goodness, craziness. I don't like to go out, you know, because of this thing that's going on. So, I'm trying to be careful. All my winners from my birthday giveaway received their packages. Yeah, they all loved it, and I'm so happy that they all love everything I sent. Yes. So, what else? What else? I'm actually doing this video before my mail comes because I felt like it. I wanted to say hi to all you guys, all my sisters and brothers. And, but if I get some mail, I'll come back on and do an opening. Yeah. So I think that's it. I just wanted to drop in, do a quick video, and say hi. Oh, what am I wearing? This is, I showed this before. It's a poncho by Bag a Day. Hi, Crystal. So I'll link her tutorial for this. And yeah, so check out the description box. Always look in there, because you know what? Never know what I'm going to have in there. All right, so I'm going to say bye to you all for now, and bye from Santa. Yeah. Aw, I just love you, Santa. Aw. Yes. All right, my kitties are going to get jealous. So, oh, they're watching me. So I will see you all next time. All right, love you all. Bye-bye.